What is up, people? It's Unknown Secret Productions, and Merry Christmas, everybody. So a better way to start off, I don't know what to say at this point, but anyway, it is time for another unboxing, and this time, it's the Transformers War for Cybertron Kindgom Core Class Megatron. And believe me when I say this, the figures I'm going to be unboxing are only going to get better from here. So let's take a
around the box. Of course, officially licensed as per product. Authentic Transformers War for Cybertron. There's the back of the box, Transformers in 12 steps. Kind of expected for a core class. Not much on this side. Just core class in 5 different languages, so yep, use the stuff in barcodes.
So without further ado, let's get to the actual unboxing. And since this guy's a core class, we're not gonna need these. Get out of here. So yeah, let's just get this guy out of here.
I have no idea how to open these though. There we go. This box just disintegrates when you open it. Okay, so there's the clamshell real quick. I don't need to pick up the camera for this. Instrucciones. I'll get to that later. Oh, actually, how ironic of you yet again, Scissors.
Once again, how ironic. Yeah, the box just disintegrates when you open it. Megatron. You know, I need to get his gun. I have no idea how to get it out. You know, just give me a second. Alright, I'm back. Uh-oh. I'm back with Megatron in his gun mode. Or also known as the gun barrel. The tank barrel, I mean. Yeah, well, overall looking pretty good. Now let's take a look at Megatron and get this crap out of the way. Trash. Megatron. Articulation.
Head is on a swivel. Wait, what? I'll do that later when I transform him. Ball joint at the shoulders. Move out. Ball joint at the elbow. Wrist swivel. On this side only for some reason. Fusion cannon's also on swivel. Oh, waist swivel. Okay, ball joint at the leg. And ball joint at the knees. Works just fine. And apparently it does.
Okay, I'm just gonna figure out how to transform this guy real quick. Alright, there we go. Got Core Megatron in his tank mode, and in my opinion, not looking bad at all. It got the turret rotation, go a full 360, and it can move up and down. Although, doesn't that just kind of look like Megatron just shoved the back first and just into the barrel of a tank? Doesn't it? Yeah, kibble-wise, just hello. But anyway, that is pretty much it for my unboxing of the Transformers War for Cybertron Kindgom Core Class Megatron. And as always, I will see you all in my next video. Peace out!